Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into the realm of extraordinary and cutting-edge machinery from around the world. From powerful cranes and nimble drill rigs to aquatic excavators and efficient harvesters, we'll explore the fascinating capabilities and innovative features these engineering masterpieces offer. There's an undeniable shift towards electric propulsion systems in our present-day reality, and it's not just personal cars making the shift. Even the world's biggest corporations are incorporating electric power into their specialty vehicles. Take, for instance, this gigantic, fully electric gantry crane built by the German manufacturer Liebherr. We're highlighting this exceptional piece of machinery today because it represents the company's most recent innovation, as well as the latest update in their crane model line. The LPS 420E model distinguishes itself by its enhanced accuracy and superior performance when compared with other electric cranes. It operates comfortably within a voltage range of 380 to 460 volts, ensuring a safe and stable performance even with voltage inconsistencies. Impressively, the LPS 420E is engineered to function in the most severe, corrosive, and demanding conditions. Its compact design allows it to operate effectively even in constricted spaces. This crane excels in both bulk material and container handling. It can process up to 1,200 tons per hour in the case of bulk materials and accomplish 30 work cycles per hour for container handling. It boasts a maximum load capacity of 124 tons. Next up, we're introducing a Trommel, a specific variety of drum screens used in processing rock materials. Its primary function is to sift out sand and soil, potentially isolating precious elements like gold grains or other minerals. Some versions of these machines employ water as a cleansing agent. However, the TR5300EM model from the US firm Vermeer accomplishes this without the need for water. Its throughput rate is impressive, being able to process around 76 cubic meters of material in an hour. What you might mistake for a flashy sports car is actually the world's swiftest wheeled tractor. This record-breaking feat was accomplished last year at the Elvington Airfield in the UK. The Fastrac 8000 shattered all previous records, clocking in at an astounding speed of almost 167 kilometers per hour. Achieving such a feat would have been impossible for racing driver Guy Martin without the aid of the Formula One Williams advanced engineering team and their significant modifications. These experts carried out extensive work both externally, enhancing the tractor's aerodynamics, and internally, retrofitting it for high-speed performance. The JCB WFT Fastrac is powered by a 7.2-liter diesel engine, generating 2,500 Nm of torque and an impressive 1,000 horsepower. Ever wondered about the machinery utilized for drilling through rocky terrain? The equipment in focus here, a Vermeer horizontal directional drill rig, provides the answer. Designed specifically for handling tough soil conditions in particularly challenging and even inhospitable environments, the D23x30DR S3 Navigator excels in speed, simplicity of operation, and quietness. The manufacturer ensured that this model is versatile, minimally restrictive in its operation, and exceedingly compact and nimble thanks to the implementation of twin boom technology. These features enable its use even in bustling urban settings and active job sites with constant day and night activity. Working conditions for operators are optimized for comfort, while the impact on the job site is minimized. Relatively low weight means less potential for pavement damage or landscape destruction. This machine stands out with a width of 141 centimeters, approximately 60 centimeters less than its competitors. With a weight of only 7.5 tons, it's the lightest model in its class. Trenchers, as their name implies, are a common type of construction equipment primarily used for digging trenches. These trenches are subsequently utilized by workers to install utility lines such as pipes or cables. But the utility of such machinery doesn't end there. They are also adept at breaking up hard soil and removing layers of road beds. Occasionally, trenchers are used for transplanting trees, carefully slicing around the trunk and roots to extract a solid block of earth. Since the edges of the trench are smooth, there's a reduced risk of cave-ins and unwanted soil displacement. The T1055 is yet another model from the American manufacturer Vermeer, with its own set of distinctive features. Among these is a low-speed, high-torque motor coupled with a slotted main shaft. This combination ensures efficient excavation in rocky terrains, while also reducing maintenance costs due to slower chain wear. The machine's productivity is further enhanced by an elevated cab design. The tool's depth adjustment is highly precise, owing to the multi-sectional composition of the boom. What sets this equipment apart is its capability to function in water, be it waterlogged areas, open bodies of water, or surfaces covered in clay. These challenging environments subject machinery to extreme stress and massive loads. Yet, the amphibious floating excavator from the South Korean company Doosan handles these conditions with notable efficiency. Its design largely resembles that of standard excavators, except for larger and broader tracks which enhance surface contact and reduce ground pressure. Moreover, this machine can be fitted with pontoons, non-self-propelled floating devices that keep heavy objects afloat in water. The Doosan Amphibious is particularly suited for tasks like coastal zone improvements, coastal consolidation, pond deepening, and cleaning. Its advanced technology is securely and hermetically sealed within the machine, and all surfaces are coated with a compound that repels water and prevents corrosion. Worth noting is that Amphibious is a series that includes 3 models, with bucket capacities ranging from 0.25 to 0.92 cubic meters. The length of the boom is adjustable, but also varies depending on the model, and can be either 1.7 meters or 6.2 meters. The final piece of machinery we'll discuss today is the combine harvester, a flagship line from the Italian company New Holland. The New Holland CX8 series includes several models, each differing in terms of grain hopper capacity, power, and working width. Universally, they are some of the top performers in their class, enabling high-quality grain preservation without causing any damage. During harvest, these machines also gently handle straw, maintaining its natural structure. The manufacturer has ensured that their machines consistently deliver high performance levels. Models come equipped with 5 or 6 straw walkers, and each machine can be customized with a variety of unique options, allowing the customer to tailor the machine to their specific needs. Features like reduced lubrication points and a self-cleaning function minimize downtime. The operator's cab has been meticulously designed to offer unparalleled comfort and enhanced visibility. The CX890 stands out as the most powerful model in the series, boasting a maximum working width of 12.5 meters. The cutter bar can achieve speeds of up to 1,300 cuts per minute, and the grain hopper has an impressive capacity of 12,500 liters. That brings us to the end of our tour through the world of outstanding machinery. From electric cranes to amphibious excavators and fast tractors, we've covered a range of innovations that demonstrate human ingenuity in the face of complex engineering challenges. Remember, what we've showcased today is just the tip of the iceberg. As technology progresses, we'll see even more extraordinary machinery on the horizon. If you enjoyed this journey, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the realm of high-performance machinery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.